Today it started a little bit squirrely. Neither Roy or I really slept last night, so we're both really tired. But then I kept delaying my alarm, and then finally I fell asleep, and yeah, we're late. Whoops. So, today we're gonna head north of Dublin to Belfast. We're gonna go check out hopefully Newgrange and the Hill of Tara on the way. I think yesterday was supposed to be the coldest day that we're supposed to have, so thankfully, fingers crossed. Right now the skies are pretty blue, so I'm pretty hopeful. Should be good, but we gotta get all packed up and ready to roll hopefully within half an hour. So, see you on the road.
I just watched a guy this morning. In fact, I recorded him. I was like, this is life in Ireland. He's like fighting the umbrella and it's inside out, and he's trying to like get it close back.
We're on a mission this morning to go find a restaurant with a spray painted door.
It's
a spray painted sign.
Still spitting. So nipply out.
Through the darkness comes light. First full English. Looks like we have sausages, blood sausage, bacon, or full Irish.
Whoa.
Hash brown, tomatoes, baked beans, an egg, and mushrooms. Oh, and toast.
And coffee.
Oh, that's a lot softer than I expected. I've never had blood sausage.
You're so gross. You like plucked it in like a weirdo. And she loves it.
It's good flavor.
Well, your face is not helping me.
It's a good flavor. Just weird texture.
Right over there.
Oh, I saw beat. I saw beat.
All right, we got our ticket validated. We're looking.
Take two.
We've got our ticket validated. That worked out pretty well. I'm glad we asked the guy at the front desk about the discount for parking because it was €59 and it went down to 36.
And also, they forgot to give it to us, so we had to.
Yeah. Oh, it is here.
Right where we left it.
Happy day.
I was opening your car door, Eva.
Oh. I remembered.
She doesn't even know.
Eva's crumpling up the bill even more.
Nuts. God, did you hear what I have to deal with?
Eva, I love that your seat is already at the windshield. I miss you.
I just don't like being far away from you. But that's also a predicament because I'm also upset that I'm so far away from you.
Actually, that's what I was just going to say. But then you're so far away from me.
I can never be pleased. Okay, so we've checked out of the hotel. Now we are gonna try and make our way up to, or out of Billings, out of Dublin, towards Belfast, and see a couple things on the way. God, could you imagine driving a camper van like these? I may have said, let's take a camper van.
Little road, we would have it's hard enough with the car.
It would have been an adventure.
I love adventures. Come on.
All right, Newgrange, historic site. One of the most spectacular prehistoric sites in the world, Newgrange's Neolithic tomb inexplicably remains something of a hidden gem when compared with less ancient Stonehenge. The wondrous site is shrouded in myth and mystery, including how the people who built Newgrange transported the huge stones to the spot. The mound above the tomb measures more than 330 feet across and reaches a height of 36 feet. White quartz was used for the retaining wall, and egg-shaped gray stones were studded at intervals. The passage grave may have been the world's earliest solar observatory. It was so carefully constructed that For 5 days on and around the winter solstice, the rays of the rising sun still hit a roof box above the lintel at the entrance to the grave. The rays then shine for about 20 minutes down the main interior passageway to illuminate the burial chamber. The geometric designs on some stones at the center of the burial chamber continue to baffle experts. Tours of the site depart from the Brunaboyne Visitor Center. That's exciting.
You know how you say I like to park away from everything?
Yeah, I had zero doubt that this was going to be that way yet again.
It's way over there.
Jesus Christ.
I thought the stairs were the
Roy's the worst.
best picnic area.
Let's go on an adventure. Oh, Jenny.
Do I hear a wrapper of sorts? Oh, okay.
You're feeding him chocolate.
I don't have anything else anymore. Look at how close she is.
Eat out of your hand.
Irish birds love bourbon. Did you see how upset it got? Like you were eating its snack.
I mean, it basically has the same hair color and everything. Look at us, we're besties. You want to break those other ones? They're still cookie? Cookie? Yeah? Let's see if is that one too big?
Nope.
I think that one.
We come to the oldest prehistoric, tomb thing, and we're more
Feeding
concerned about
birds.
feeding a bird. Well, we didn't get in. We didn't have tickets booked. And the next one's for 1:40, 2:45, 1:45. 1:45.
No, 1.
p.m. 1 p.m. like I said. And if we did that, then we wouldn't make it to Belfast until we wouldn't leave here until 5. Because it's a 3-hour tour.
A 3-hour tour.
So, we're not doing Newgrange. We took a picture of it from afar. Which basically is the same thing, right? Do you get to go inside of it?
Yeah.
Yes. Newgrange.
She made it sound like you did.
Fuck. Dang it. Can I draw this? Take 2. We are checking out the Hill of Slaine, which is apparently the seat of pre-Christian kings. So that'll be pretty cool. Also where St. Patrick came and was like, you pagans,
Burn down my house.
be Christian. So, yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Looks pretty cool. Oh no, Dumpy! No soldier left behind. Oh.
You made it all the way through. Literally, that's literally my hip size.
It's like a squeeze shoot for old Dumpy.
Jenny! Eva! Weird. What is wrong with you?
This was fantastico. You get to walk around the ruins, give yourself a self-tour. You get to accidentally wipe out. Nobody sees you, but the evidence will always be there. Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta go that road up there.
Oh. It's covered in powdered sugar, so when I sneeze, it'll go everywhere. I better lick it off. We just accidentally entered Northern Ireland.
Not accidentally.
Well, but like, we just entered Northern Ireland without even knowing it.
No, I would have liked to see a sign.
Dang it. Okay, well,
I knew because the road we're on switched from N1 to A1.
yeah, and it's now in miles. So Roy was right. It went from kilometers to miles.
Which would make sense of why this is saying 70. And I was like, man, if I was doing 70 kilometers an hour, everybody here would be pissed. Instead of doing 140.
Okay, well, now we learned something today, team. All right, 40 minutes, we should be in Belfast. Oh, that's it. Whoa.
Little shots.
Oh, God.
And milk and
Aww.
something. And
That's so cute.
Okay, so this is cute. Pretty basic.
Yeah.
get a bathtub.
Everything we need.
Yeah, everything we need.